Take about 3 or 4 of the food plant with the laboratory spoon. Weigh the plant food sample between 3.0 to 3.5 gram. Record the mass of the food plant sample. Transfer the weighed food plant sample into the beaker. Measure 40 ml of distilled water. Add 40 ml distilled water into the beaker. Stir the mixture with a glass rod until the sample is dissolved. Measure 40 ml 10% of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Which is by using measuring cylinder. Add 40 ml of 10% magnesium sulfate heptahydrate into the beaker. Measure 100 ml 2 mol of ammonia. Then add ammonia into beaker slowly while stirring. A white precipitate of magnesium ammonium phosphate will form. The mixture is set at room temperature for 10 minutes. Weigh the filter paper. Record the mass of filter paper. Fold and fit the filter paper into a glass funnel and then wet the paper with distilled water. Make sure the switch of the vacuum filtration is on. Transfer the oil precipitate from the beaker carefully onto the filter paper. Measure 5 ml of distilled water. Which is to wash the precipitate. Then add into the beaker. Then transfers into the filter paper. Repeat the same step 3 times to wash the precipitate. Then measure 10 ml of 75% isopropyl alcohol.
Fantastic.
Then rinse the precipitate with 2 10 ml 75% isopropyl alcohol. After the filtration done, remove the filter paper and place it on porcelain evaporating dish. Then store it in the oven for 24 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. After 24 hours, take out the porcelain evaporating dish from the oven. When the magnesium ammonium phosphate is dry, wet the filter with magnesium ammonium phosphate. This experiment is done.
Data and result. Mass of sample used in this experiment is 3.4 grams.
To calculate the mole of P, we need to find the gravimetric factor first. And then, the gravimetric factor, which is 0.2, is multiple with weight of P. Lastly, the gram of P is divided with molar mass of P. To calculate the mole of P2O5, we need to multiply the mole of P with the mole of stoichiometry. To calculate the WW% of P2O5, we need to divide the mass of P2O5 with the mass of fruit plant that we take earlier and multiply with 100. To calculate the percent error, the WW%, we need to minus with 50% and divide with 50% and multiply with 100. For the precaution, we need to transfer all liquid in small quantities. Second, precipitate should be in practically complete and free from contamination. And third, glass calibration device should be appropriately calibrated. Conclusion. This experiment was conducted to determine the content percent of P in plant food through gravimetric analysis. We used gravimetric analysis to find the mole of P and P2O5. In this experiment, we get 1 mole of MgNH4 PO4 from precipitate. Based on the result of the experiment, the mole of P and P2O4 was obtained. To sum up everything that has been stated so far, the objective of the experiment is fulfilled.